Are you looking for ways to maximize your manufacturing space and improve cash flow? Maybe you're a fast growing manufacturer. You urgently need more room for personnel and equipment, but don't have the budget to rent an additional facility. Companies with slowly but steadily growth face a similar dilemma. Long term sales forecasts are strong, but where will you store all the parts that are needed and tying up all your cash in inventory? After all, that's money you can use elsewhere in your business. Some fabricators and distributors of rubber and plastic products require customers to purchase and receive parts in high volumes. These vendors buy in bulk and offer volume discounts, but they don't want smaller orders from you and won't offer competitively priced on lower order quantities. So the mistake that industrial buyers make is to chase price instead of value. Purchasing departments buy in bulk to get a lower unit price, but then pass hidden costs along to other parts of the operation. Unfortunately, this procurement strategy can contribute to the lack of manufacturing space. For example, heavy equipment manufacturers with spot on sales forecasts can predict the number of door and window gaskets needed for the builds. If the manufacturer fabricates gaskets in house, purchasing may order high volumes of rubber coils. All those coils need to be stored somewhere, and by using the facility creates manufacturing waste. It also adds costs, and not just from the buying of extra shelving units. If a manufacturer like this does not have enough floor space for assembly, some operations may need to be moved outdoors. Even if you have a large parking lot, would you want to leave row after row of heavy equipment in elements when the doors and windows aren't installed and sealed? There may be good reasons why you can't complete your assembly within the factory, but running out of room because you're storing too much inventory. Carrying excessive amounts of inventory can also cost you time and money inside the plant. Forklift operators who need to thread their way between boxes can't work efficiently and may accidentally damage stock. Assemblers who don't have enough elbow room aren't as productive either. You can change your facility's layout to provide workers with more space, but your inventory needs to go somewhere. What if you could store it with your supplier and not pay for it until you need it? Elastoproxy can help you maximize your manufacturing space and improve cash flow at the same time. If you share your sales forecast with us, we can buy in bulk for you. Then we can store the raw materials and finished products that you need in our warehouses. At a time when manufacturers are considering about the supply chain disruptions, you'll also appreciate the peace of mind that comes with securing your supply in advance. The benefits don't end there either. When manufacturers buy and receive products in bulk, vendors expect them to pay for everything at the same time and send a large invoice. With Elastoproxy, we can ship according to your sales forecast, then bill you for only what you're receiving. This enables you to conserve cash while saving manufacturing space at your facility. So why keep buying more than you need and absorbing hidden costs because of what seems like a good price? The deal that you're getting might not be such a bargain after all. Remember too that Elastoproxy can provide you with ready-to-install products as well as raw materials. Instead of buying coils of the rubber to fabricate sealing in-house, we can provide finished doors and window gaskets that are made with our ISO 9001-2015 facility. Your assemblers won't have to cut and bond lengths of rubber, which can help you reduce waste in other ways that you may not have considered. Please contact Elastoproxy today to learn more.